Today's our video. I'm Aiza and I'm Hanya. Today we go to buy squishy. Look how much squishy. Yeah. You're gonna open this one. Yes, we'll open it. I did, Mama. No, look what I got. Oh, look at mine. Whoa, it's like a Play-Doh. Mine is also like a. Mine like slime. See, me too. That's here. It's too squishy. Too squishy. Mine is too squishy. You don't know how much is what we are. Can I try? I'm just gonna go and say how it is slide. I'm coming back. And look at these squishy. We just this too squishy. All of my squishy is gonna get dirty. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. We will follow where the garden. The garden is and inside the there. So that's so squishy. Even I got this bird one. Mine is a slime. It looks like. Open it. Can you open it? Can you open it? This is just like a slime. And me too outside. And he just calling me. Lay it. Tomorrow my birthday just like Yesterday it was Happy New Year, so it was half fireworks. So but we couldn't go because we were going too late. We have to eat dinner. I do too much things, so we didn't go. We were at home trying to make the fireworks so on, but it was not getting on. It just later got on, but then it didn't go sound. So my mom closed it, and they didn't got a countdown. Then we were just show our brother goes, but we didn't. But we'll share with you. Our brother makes a movie for us, so we'll share with you. We are opening this one. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you at our next video.